There we go. Oh look, I'm going to make a custom homemade ergonomic keyboard.
Not Betty.
Hey, it's a roll-up keyboard, just like those ones you can buy. Roll-up keyboard. 1 stick of RAM, how nice.
I wonder how much it is.
128 megs.
But it's still connected a little bit.
This RAM tastes like Mac. And look. Oops.
Little trash.
Oh, really? How am I supposed to get to this? Looks like I have to break this metal. I have to break this metal to get to it.
Like, is it metal or plastic?
Would you agree? I don't know. Well, it's metal, actually. Would you agree that this computer is 100% upgradable without any damage modifications?
Yes.
Funjitsu. Made in Thailand. I'm Hitler again.
Let me see this. Fujitsu.
Oh look, here's where the airport card went. Watch, I'm going to play the piano.
Yeah. 40 gig hard drive. I'm gonna read what it says not to do. Do not. What's that thing? Looks like it says do not push really hard or drop.
Remember that one you had commented on a MacBook 145B smash? That is beautiful machine ruined.
Yeah.
That is beautiful spelling ruined.
It literally said that is beautiful machine ruined.
It's not even a beautiful machine. Oh, what the? Did this actually just slide out? That'd be pretty cool if it
you
does.
pull it really hard, it will.
Perhaps I need to break it or give it a little...
Pull it really hard.
Okay. Oops.
Trash.
Maybe I need to put this in.
Did you just break the drive?
I broke some metal. It's like serially. How do I get this thing out?
Wait, there's this. There's whatever that little metal thingy is going across.
That doesn't do it.
That's doing something.
Yeah, that's how I do the trick. There's a bit here.
I think the main problem is this, like this little piece right here locks it in.
Okay, wait. I gotta do some precise work here.
That worked.
That got it out. Hey look, it's a P-trap. Okay. Here at Apple, we like to use the utmost care with our computers. Surface. Whatever.
Just be careful. Make sure you're not rough on your product.
Come on. Duh, I see. Doesn't want to go that way. It needs to slide out. Yay!
Got it.
Mission accomplished. Minor damage occurred. I think I may have damaged the aperture. How will it play floppy drive now? Uh-oh. Yay! Because normally you can do it the easy way by pulling on these two tabs, but I'd rather do it my way. Yay! And now you can see all the keys are all over the place, but that's not what I'm trying. There we go. Oh look, I'm going to make a custom homemade ergonomic keyboard.
Not Betty.
Hey, it's a roll-up keyboard, just like those ones you can buy. Roll-up keyboard. This genius design. I have this whole piece here, and I have to like pull it off. It's this stupid motherboard. Oh my god. Even simply taking this apart without any prior knowledge is like going on a death mission. Nice job, Wozniak. Revolutionary. Apple predicted the release of roll-up keyboards like 7 years before they were produced.
They'll take like all this met.
Oh, you know what I want to see? Speakers.
Wait, I have a better idea. How about you like dig under here and try to pull it
dig
out?
all the way over to here.
I think that'll be like less damaging.
Wouldn't this be fun? So we gotta upload this to YouTube?
We'll edit it later, yeah.
Whoops. That was not meant to happen. Oh my god. There it is, quickly. Screwdriver.
It's whatever that thing is unscrewing.
I must replace the speakers in my Cosmeo with these little works of art. Steve Jobs, I would marry you because you're so beautiful. Now this is a true laptop speaker.
I told you it would be smaller than this.
Oh yeah, it is. We need to save these because they're truly the best laptop speakers ever designed. How do we get the second one out without damaging this computer?
I think you have to pull this up right there.
Oh, you're right. Be careful now. This part could damage your laptop. It may sound like it's breaking, but you know, just like iMac G3s, it only sounds like the plastic is cracking. That was normal. Get up this speaker too.
Yeah, you have to.
No, that was like 8 years ago. Oh my god, wait, the power button and the speaker are on the same piece of plastic. Oh, that's cheap.
Unscrewing the power button too.
Oh.